So this is a tree diagram. So by chain rule, so first let us write dou w by dou x. Dou w by dou x will be dou w by dou u into dou u by dou x plus പിന്നെ x വെച്ച് അവസാനിക്കുന്നത് w to p and p to x. So dou w by dou p into dou p by dou x. ഇനി dou u by dou x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 ആണ്. Dou p by dou x is minus 1. So substituting that, you will get dou w by dou u minus dou w by dou p. അതുപോലെ dou w by dou y is dou w by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou w by dou v into dou v by dou y. So that is dou u by dou y is minus 1 and dou v by dou y is 1. So you will get minus dou w by dou u plus dou w by dou v വരും. ഇനി അതുപോലെ dou w by dou z എന്ന് പറയുന്ന dou w by dou v into dou v by dou z plus dou w by dou p into dou p by dou z വരും. And dou v by dou z will be minus 1, dou p by dou z will be 1. So you will get minus dou w by dou v plus dou w by dou p. ഇനി നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ ഈ മൂന്ന് വാല്യൂസും ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. So dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z will be, so this is wu minus wp, then you have minus wu plus wv, then minus wv plus wp. So all the terms will cancel off, so that will give 0, which is our required result. So those are few problems using the chain rule of differentiation. Now let us look at how to do implicit differentiation using chain rule. So first is the implicit differentiation when you have y defined as a function of x. And നമ്മൾ one variable function ചെയ്യുന്ന implicit differentiation. So there you will be finding dy by dx. So if the equation f of xy equal to c defines y implicitly as a differentiable function of x, and if dou f by dou y is not equal to 0, then dy by dx will be equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. So this is the first implicit differentiation using chain rule. So usually നമുക്ക് f of xy equal to c തന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ here y is a function of x, നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് സൈഡിൽ ഡിഫറൻഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും, then we will collect dy by dx, that will give us the value of the derivative. So here the theorem states that dy by dx will be obtained as minus fx by fy. So where fx and fy are the partial derivatives of this function. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ഇത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? So let me take z equal to f of xy equal to c. So here I can define z to be, so I have the representation z equal to f of xy. So z is a function of x and y. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് y is a function of x. So here y is a function of x. So let me find, അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ ബ്രാഞ്ചസും x വെച്ചാണ് എൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So let me find dz by dx. So dz by dx will be dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y into dy by dx. Now since z is equal to c, dz by dx ന്റെ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് 0 ആയിരിക്കും. So that gives 0 equal to dou z by dou x plus dou z by dou y into dy by dx. So from this we will get dy by dx equal to minus dou z by dou x by dou z by dou y. ഇനി z എന്ന് പറയുന്ന f of xy ആണ്. So that is minus dou z by this can be represented as dou f by dou x by minus dou f by dou y. So that is how we arrive at the formula. So dy by dx will be minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. So let us see an example. So we are given x cube plus y square x minus 3. Then find dy by dx using chain rule for implicit differentiation. This is equal to 0. So you have the equation x cube plus y square x minus 3 equal to 0. So here f of xy is x cube plus y square x minus 3. So therefore dy by dx will be minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. Now differentiate this with respect to x. So you will get minus 3 x square plus y square by dou f by dou y will be 2y x. So that is the required derivative. Next problem is you are given the function e raised to xy plus y e raised to y equal to 1. You need to find dy by dx. So that will be minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. So that will be equal to dou f by dou x y e raised to xy varum, and dou f by dou y will be e raised to y plus y e raised to y. So that is the required derivative using the chain rule. So you can verify this using the normal implicit differentiation also. Now let us look at the implicit differentiation when you have a function of two variables. So here z is defined implicitly as a function of x and y. So let us look at the theorem. So if the equation f of xyz equal to c defines z implicitly as a function of differentiable function of x and y, and if dou f by dou z is not equal to 0, then dou z by dou x will be equal to minus fx by fz, and dou z by dou y will be equal to minus fy by fz. So this is the implicit differentiation when you have z defined as a function of x and y. So we will be finding dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y that can be obtained in this way also. Same, start with some w equal to f of xyz equal to c. So w is a function of x, y and z. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് z is a function of x and y. So therefore we will get dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou x, that will be equal to 0. And then we get the equation dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou y equal to 0. So from the first equation you will get dou z by dou x equal to minus wx by wz, so which is same as minus fx by fz, and dou z by dou y will be equal to minus wy by wz, which is minus fy by fz. So that is the value of partial derivatives using chain rule for implicit differentiation. So let us look at an example. So find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y if x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, where z is defined implicitly as a function of x and y. So dou z by dou x will be minus fx by fz. So f is x square plus y square plus z square. So that will give minus 2x by fz value 2z. So that is minus x by z, and dou z by dou y is going to be minus fy by fz. So that will be minus 2y by 2z. So you'll get minus yz. So those are the partial derivatives using implicit differentiation. So let us look at one more problem. So find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y by implicit differentiation. So you have y raised to x minus 5 sine 3z equal to 4z. So first bring to the standard form. So you have y raised to x minus 5 sine 3z minus 4z equal to 0. So f is y raised to x minus 4z minus 5 sine 3z. So dou z by dou x will be minus fx by fy. So fx edukumbol that will be y raised to x and denominator fz. So fz is minus 4 minus 15 cos 3z. So you'll get y raised to x by 4 plus 15 cos 3z. So that is the value of dou z by dou x. Then dou z by dou y will be minus fy by fz. So that will be minus fy is e raised to x by minus 4 plus 15 cos 3z. So that will be e raised to x by 4 plus 15 cos 3z. So those are the required partial derivatives.